distinguished, outstanding mentors of Johnson Global High School, Honorable Principal Rajkumar sir and remaining officials, and my lovable boys and girls. Happy weekend, all of you. So far you are in gloomy mood. When I uttered happy weekend, tomorrow we are having jolly day, Sunday. Even so far Uma also maintained gloomy and sad mood. When I announced Sunday, I meant to say, she's getting up, morning levels now, we can get up from our sweet bed, early hours, 10 o'clock, right now. Always it gives somewhat vibes whenever we hear holiday sound. Am I correct or not, Rajalakshman? Sunday always gives somewhat extra pump, extra energy to everybody. Not only actually student least bother about holidays, but my teachers always feels it is a granted for them. But one thing, this particular Sunday is a but Sunday in our academic calendar of 2025. Only one more Sunday is left. Yeah, that's really time moving very fast. It's not having any mercy, kindness. Going on, without fuel, without energy, without petrol, diesel. It's just continuing. Least bother about the climatic conditions, irrespective of sun and shower. It's leading her life. Indirectly, directly, it is giving message to you and me also. Least bother about the conditions. Work on your mission. That indicates your success. This is the live example. Almost all 5+ children took participation in national level rocket ball competition from your bench, from your class, from our JGHS. That's really great. Electrified information. Really, from bottom of my heart, I extend my congratulations. Yeah, the Nabandan girl children are getting wonderful motivation by watching Women World Cup, by watching some different categories. Each and every child, especially from girl children, really taking participation in great manner. Moreover, rather than boys, I especially extend my thanks to the parents of girl children because of belief and trust, because of wonderful foresight. They sent the children really alone by escorting by Prashant sir to Anantapur, almost all 2+3 days they spent over there. Really, you see here the jersey. That always brings pride and special moment to each and every sportsman. Every sportsman, that indicates one kind of a great honor. Really, join your hands together to say outstanding congratulations to these wonderful pillars of Johnson Global High School. Really, 2025 brought so many successful program lineup to our JGHS, even SGP. I think what we can say,